Hi everyone, happy Friday. So I'm doing a whole bunch of videos this Friday afternoon. I have the day off and I met up with Armin and Sophia. Hey girls. And we had a chance to catch up over lunch. And so I wanted to share with you a couple of things that Sophia created and have you head over to her channel because she creates such cute little goodies. So this is a little I know this is a Santa collection that I think it may be a Santa baby collection or part of that Hot by Santa Hot by Paper Bag from Michael's. I'm not sure, but I believe maybe this one is a Santa baby Prima. Anyhow, Sophia, I actually was delighted that you were able to make it for lunch to chit chat with Armin and I, and we had a chance to catch up. It's been ages and that we saw each other, and Sophia actually introduced me to Armin, and I had been watching both Sophia's and Armin's channel before I met them. And so we had a chance to meet each other at a meetup. So we've been keeping in touch ever since. And we live about 60 to 70 miles away from each other. So whenever I'm out there in that direction, I like to connect with them and reconnect and see if we can catch up just on life and family. And this little box of goodness, it kind of pops open like so, and you can take out some little goodies that she inserted inside, some candies. So these are definitely little cutesy ideas that you can find a lot of inspiration from in Sophia's channel. It's so super cute. I just absolutely love it. And both Armin and Sophia, they always pay attention to all of the fine details in their projects, just adding little itsy bitsy things to create pop to their projects. So I really admire that. Really cute. And if you want to follow her on Instagram, she may not post videos all the time, but she may be able to post her inspirational goodies on her Instagram too. So this is another really cute idea on how to package up, you know, just some simple goodies to give to co-workers and friends. I absolutely adore this collection. I bought a whole bunch at Frank Garcia's studio, but I didn't have a chance to play with it as much as I could this year. Such cute goodies. And look at these little lollipops. She has a tutorial on these adorable lollipops. And this is a little lollipop holder, I believe using a tag that she had and a tag punch that she has. It's so super cute. Look at the fine details. The little cup, I believe this is a Prima paper. Little snowflake on the side, and this is a little Tim Holtz little type sticker, and then the little puffy pearls, liquid pearls, and then the little bell and the little twine and the little pom-pom on the top. It's just too cute to dispute. And this one's another little lollipop using some glittered that matches my Color Street nails. So it's so super cute. I'm sorry about the lighting. I know the sun is setting here in Southern California right now. Wanted to get this video in before the end of the night. And this is a super duper cute. This is her channel, Made with Love by PaperSweets 09. And this is a cute little loaded envelope. And I believe she did a tutorial on this a while back. I'm gonna look for the, search for the video and insert it. The bling pieces, the little, I forget what this is called, but it creates a little closure. How cute! It opens up, it flips, opens a little journaling card, it flips out, and look at how cute. Another little sweater, paper clip. Her note is actually in here for me. Thank you. Thank you. And I opened this in front of Sophia during lunch, and it's so super cute. And look at the, thank you so much for sharing these little bling pieces with me just in time for Valentine's Day. And these are some more journaling cards. It's so super cute. I love this paper line. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. So cute. And it closes up. And look at this decorative, beautiful die. And then it kind of closes up like so. And you kind of wrap it around. I just love this idea on how to send flat mail to everybody. So thank you so much, Sophia, for these extra little goodies. Just, it's always such a delight just to catch up with my crafty friends, and I was so happy and that both you and Armin were able to catch up with me yesterday. So big hugs and love to you and your family. I hope you're having a wonderful day at MM, wink wink, with your hubby. And I wish everyone a fantastic 2019. If I don't come back on again, have a happy new year, happy and healthy new year, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.